Grok 2, your SEO powerhouse. Imagine having a tool that not only simplifies SEO, but also amplifies your online presence. Want to rank higher on Google and get more eyes on your content? Grok 2 is designed to help you achieve just that with ease and efficiency. You need a solid SEO strategy. Without it, your content might get lost in the vast sea of the internet. Grok 2 is an amazing tool that can help you achieve just that. It provides you with the insights and tools necessary to climb the search engine rankings. It's like having a secret weapon for boosting your website's visibility. Imagine the confidence you'll feel knowing you have Grok 2 by your side. SEO, or search engine optimization, might sound complicated, but it's all about making your content easily discoverable by search engines. Grok 2 simplifies this process for you. Think of it as making your content speak Google's language. When your content is optimized, search engines can understand and rank it better. Grok 2 acts as your translator and guide. It helps you identify the right keywords and optimize your content accordingly. With Grok 2, you can unlock the power of keywords, optimize your content, and track your progress. It provides detailed analytics to help you understand your performance. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or just starting out, Grok 2 can be your trusted companion on your SEO journey. It caters to all levels of expertise. Let's dive in and see how it works. Discover the features that make Grok 2 an indispensable tool for anyone serious about SEO. Unlocking keywords with Grok 2. Keywords are the heart of SEO. They are the building blocks that connect your content with the audience searching for it. They are the terms people use when searching for information online. Without the right keywords, your content might never reach its intended audience. Grok 2 excels at helping you find the right keywords for your content. It provides a comprehensive suite of tools designed to make keyword research easy and effective. Grok 2's keyword research tool lets you explore a vast database of search terms. This database is constantly updated to reflect the latest trends and search behaviors. You can see how often people search for specific keywords, known as search volume, and how competitive they are. This data is crucial for making informed decisions about which keywords to target. This helps you choose keywords that are both popular and relevant to your audience. By understanding the competition, you can prioritize keywords that offer the best opportunities for visibility. It's important to use a mix of head keywords, which are broad terms, and long-tail keywords, which are more specific phrases. This strategy ensures that you capture a wide range of search queries. For example, shoes is a head keyword, capturing a broad audience, while best running shoes for women is a long-tail keyword, targeting a more specific and potentially more engaged audience. Grok 2 helps you find the perfect balance for your content. By using both types of keywords, you can maximize your reach and ensure that your content is discovered by the right people at the right time. Crafting titles and descriptions that shine. Your title and meta description are the first things people see on search engine results pages, or SERPs. They are your chance to make a great first impression and entice users to click on your link. Grok 2 helps you write compelling titles and descriptions that grab attention and include your target keywords. Your title should be clear, concise, and accurately reflect the content of your page. The meta description should provide a brief summary of your content, encouraging users to learn more. Remember, your goal is to stand out from the crowd and convince users that your content is the best answer to their search query. Grok 2's analysis tools can help you optimize your titles and descriptions for maximum impact. Headings and subheadings are essential for structuring your content and making it easy to read. They also play a crucial role in SEO by signaling to search engines what your content is about. Grok 2 encourages you to use keywords strategically in your headings, like H1, H2, H3, and so on. Your main heading, or H1, should clearly state the topic of your page and include your primary keyword. Subheadings should break down your content into smaller, digestible sections, using relevant keywords where appropriate. By using keywords in your headings, you make it easier for both search engines and human readers to understand the structure and relevance of your content. This can improve your search ranking and enhance the user experience. While it's important to include keywords in your content, you don't want to overdo it. Keyword stuffing or cramming too many keywords into your text can harm your SEO and make your content sound unnatural. Grok 2 helps you achieve a natural keyword density, typically around 1 to 2%. This means using keywords where they fit naturally within your content, without forcing them in. Think of it as having a conversation with your readers, using keywords organically within the flow of your writing. To avoid repetition, use synonyms and variations of your target keywords. For example, instead of repeating digital marketing multiple times, you could use phrases like online marketing, internet marketing, or web marketing. Grok 2's keyword suggestion tool can help you find relevant synonyms and variations. In the world of SEO, content reigns supreme. It's not just about having content, but having the right kind of content that makes a difference. Search engines prioritize high-quality, informative, and engaging content that provides value to users. This means your content should be well-researched, well-written, and relevant to your audience's needs. Grok 2 recognizes this and encourages you to create content that not only incorporates keywords, but also captivates your audience. It's about striking a balance between optimization and readability. Long-form content, typically over 1,800 words, tends to perform better in search rankings. This is because it allows for a more comprehensive exploration of topics, which search engines favor. This is because longer content allows you to delve deeper into a topic, providing more value and insights to your readers. It also gives you the opportunity to include more keywords naturally. Grok 2's content analysis tools can help you assess the length and quality of your content. These tools provide insights into how your content is performing and where improvements can be made. Remember, your goal is to create content that people will love to read and share. Engaging content is more likely to be shared, increasing your reach and impact. By focusing on quality, relevance, and depth, you'll not only satisfy your audience but also boost your SEO efforts. High-quality content leads to higher engagement, which in turn can improve your search rankings. Grok 2 can be your trusted advisor in crafting content that resonates. With its advanced tools and insights, you can ensure your content strategy is always on point, helping you achieve your SEO goals. Mastering SEO takes time and effort, but with the right tools and strategies, you can achieve amazing results. Grok 2 simplifies the SEO process, providing you with the insights and guidance you need to optimize your content and boost your search ranking. From keyword research to content analysis, Grok 2 empowers you to make data-driven decisions that enhance your online visibility. It's like having a personal SEO coach at your fingertips, ready to help you every step of the way. So, whether you're a seasoned SEO pro or just starting your journey, Grok 2 is an invaluable tool that can help you unlock the full potential of your online presence. Embrace the power of Grok 2 and watch your content soar to new heights. Thank you for watching our ultimate guide on boosting your SEO with Grok 2. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Your SEO journey starts here.